Now you've seen how easy it is to earn points and even use them as well. But what happens to these points? Will there be transactions in LS Central? Oh yes, of course. Everything regarding a sale is registered. And we can go into member account, find Stefan Thompson, and here you will see that we have all the award points that have been issued, all the points that have been used, and etc. and the points balance. Let's go into this one here, issued award points. So here you have the transactions. And we even have, remember the one that we sold 100 briefcases? So this is what it was. We can always even look at the sales entries. What is behind this line? Exactly, we saw the 100 in quantity. If we go to another one, this one here, the last one, sales entries, we'll see that he bought these 2 items. So we can always look at everything. And you see that each and every transaction is with a document number, that's the receipt number, date, who it belongs to, etc. Now we were looking at these things on member account level. Can we do it as well for Britt Thompson, the contact? Let's go into the contact card. Oh yes, we have the same information here. So we can always go in and look at it. Used points, total issued points, etc. Same way. And this was for member account, member contact. What about the member club? Yes, let's go into member management, member clubs, and to our club Cronus. Here you see, we have the same information. You can always drill in and look at all the lines, and you will always see the account number, contact number, and everything, the card number. So you will always see everybody here. All the transactions have been created. And if you look into, remember something we used previously, that was transaction register. If you open there, and you will filter it on the date you will be working, for example, and you will do the last time. So let's, for example, look at this one here, and look at the member points selected. Here you will see that there were some points given in this sale, and for this card. And when you know the card number, you know the member contact, and when you know the member contact, you will know the member account, and when you will know the member account, you will know the member club. So that's how simple and easy it is.